Is this thing on? Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a phrase you might have heard in movies, on TV shows, or even in everyday conversation. Is this thing on? It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning and cultural context. Let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, "Is this thing on?" Literally, it's a question someone asks to check if a device, usually a microphone or some form of audio equipment, is working. The word, thing, here is a casual, informal way of referring to an object or device whose name you don't need to specify, because it's usually clear from the context. Interestingly, "Is this thing on?" is often used in a figurative way. Comedians, for example, might use it as a humorous way to get the audience's attention, especially after a joke that didn't get much of a reaction. It's a light-hearted way of acknowledging that something might not have gone as planned, and it helps to break the ice or ease tension. This phrase is deeply rooted in American pop culture, especially in stand-up comedy. It's often seen in movies and TV shows when a character is about to make an announcement, tell a joke, or speak in public. Understanding this cultural context can help you appreciate the humor and nuances when you hear it in different situations. So, how can you use "Is this thing on?" in everyday English? It's great for informal situations, like when you're testing a microphone, of course. But you can also use it humorously to lighten the mood if you feel like your message isn't getting through, or if you want to playfully draw attention to yourself in a conversation. And there you have it. Is this thing on? A simple phrase with a lot of character. It's a great example of how language can be fun and versatile. Whether you're learning English for business, travel, or just for fun, understanding phrases like this can really enrich your communication skills. Hope you found this video helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step of the way.